Today, we'll be making a snow person pinch pot for our friends at Red Tet Art. We're going to start with some air dry clay. Roll your clay into 3 balls. Use your thumb and fingers to create a pot-like shape. Attach your 2 pieces together with your thumb and finger. Gently turn your dowel round and round to make the holes for your arms. Let your snow person dry. Add your coats of white acrylic paint. Now that we've let our snow person dry, it's time to paint on the face. To add the arms, we're going to take a chenille stem. The second method I'm going to show you is how to make your pinch pot have a faux glazed look. Take a thick dowel and dip it in black acrylic paint. Make sure to go straight up and down. Let your details dry overnight before putting on acrylic gloss. This will give it a shiny finish that makes it look like glaze. There you have it, folks, your pinch pot snow person.